Click on the link below to get price. The Dehumidifier with a 4.2L transparent water tank is an impressive solution for combating humidity in various spaces like basements, bedrooms, and bathrooms. Its compact design makes it easy to move around, fitting seamlessly into corners or tight spaces without being an eyesore. One of the standout features is the 4.2-liter transparent water tank, allowing users to easily monitor the water level. The tank's size is ideal for continuous operation without frequent emptying, making it especially convenient for larger areas. The transparent design is a practical touch, as it eliminates the guesswork often associated with traditional opaque tanks. Performance-wise, this dehumidifier operates ultra-quietly, making it perfect for bedrooms or quiet environments where noise can be a distraction. The sound level is barely noticeable, allowing for peaceful sleeping or uninterrupted work. This feature is crucial for those sensitive to noise, as it ensures a comfortable atmosphere. In terms of efficiency, the dehumidifier effectively removes excess moisture, helping to prevent mold and mildew growth. Users will appreciate the noticeable change in air quality, especially in damp spaces. The unit is also energy efficient, which is a significant benefit for those looking to reduce electricity bills while maintaining a comfortable environment. Setup is straightforward, requiring minimal effort to get started. The intuitive controls make adjusting settings simple, even for those who may not be tech-savvy. The build quality appears solid, promising durability over time. The compact size does not sacrifice performance, as it efficiently covers significant square footage without being cumbersome. Overall, the dehumidifier with a 4.2L transparent tank is a reliable and effective choice for anyone looking to improve air quality in their home. Its combination of efficiency, quiet operation, and user-friendly design makes it a worthwhile investment for maintaining a comfortable and healthy living space.